I am sure that you guys are very aware about my traditional wearing that is coming up next 12 weeks. Yes. I want to use this opportunity to inform you guys about the personalities I'm going to have in my traditional wearing. Davido is going to be there to perform in my traditional wearing because he's a humble boy. Phyno is going to be there in my traditional wearing to perform because he's a humble boy. Yes, I'm going to have other artists also too in my traditional wearing, but I wouldn't want them to perform because of their reputations. Wizkid, I'm not going to let you perform for my traditional wearing. You know the case of this nowadays, they will come and start doing kid things, and I don't want it in my traditional wearing. And then again, Burna Boy has been calling, disturbing me on the phone. He wants to come to my traditional wearing. But I am still thinking about it. I'm still thinking the possibility of him coming to my traditional wearing. You know that boy. You know the stupid boy. I don't want him to come to my traditional wearing and start burning things. Burna Boy. I don't want him to come to my traditional wearing and start burning the things I am using for my traditional wearing. Or if they start burning people's car. That is my problem with a little boy. I'm gonna let him come on a condition. He's gonna come to my traditional wearing with a handcuff on his hand. And they must not go with a lighter. Because if he dare try anything stupid, try to do anything like burning any shit in my traditional wearing, I promise him, I'm gonna make him look better on the broken mirror than what I go fucking do to him. Tell him, he shouldn't fuck with me in my traditional wearing.